Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see jobs you applied for on LinkedIn. First of all, of course, you'll need a LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let me just launch my LinkedIn first. And as we said, let me just click X. I'm not interested on sign in with contacts here. So as we said, we want to see the jobs that we applied for on LinkedIn. First of all, if you want to view jobs you applied for on LinkedIn, just go and click add the jobs icon at the bottom right corner of your home screen, of course. Then all you need to do, of course, if you want to post a job, click at post my job, or if you want to see the jobs that you applied for, go here and click at my jobs. Here, of course, if you have any saved jobs or any job that you applied for, you will find it here. Of course, start saving jobs you are interested in. Once jobs are saved, you will find them here. Of course, that's how you can see the jobs saved. Of course, as you can see here, if I applied maybe for this remote work job, I would like to click on this icon, which is the save icon, as you can see. So maybe I applied for this job, and maybe you applied for this job as well. Of course, just clicking on this and then click on apply. Then if you apply on it, please click save after applying, because that's the only way to find your job that you applied for, by going here and click as my jobs. So you will find here your saved job that you applied for. Make sure any job that you applied for, save it to find it very easily, because you may just forget that you applied for a job, or maybe forget the name of the company or even the job that you applied for. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.